boys look mean, man. Check them out. Check them out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, indeed. There we go. There we go. And my man Brett finishing up. That's what's up. All right, so we about to jump on the boost. Get up out of here, man. Hey, what's up, everybody? So this is part 2 of the video. What we're gonna do, we're about to saddle up and we're gonna get up out of here, and I'm gonna record the ride to the tiki bar where we headed to. And this is the crew. Check them out. All right. Yeah, so we're gonna suit up, boot up, and get up out of here. All right, y'all, so we about ready to leave this beautiful place. Check it out, man. Simply gorgeous. Gotta make this run. Whenever you fall on bikes, man, you gotta look and load and get up out of town. All right. Alright, so on the way back, we're going to get with the group. Oh, okay. Alright. So they have all different types of locations where you can park. That's actually a fishing pier back there. Alright, so now we're on our way to a restaurant. I can't remember the name of it. But it's in the tiki bar area here in Maryland. We have a pet beach, so if you have a pet, you can bring them out. We got here perfect timing as well. Not too crowded. People fishing off the rocks on the left side. Nobody's hardly fishing. Probably because this is deeper water over here, I guess. When they might not even allow you to fish on that side. Don't really know the rules out here. man quick. If you ever come out here, it's $5. If you're a military vet, it's free. Everyone's ready to eat, and it's only 12:17, so we were trying to be back by 2-ish. Hey, we'll definitely be back by 3-ish, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, nice day, nice ride. Alright, so this time we're gonna stay with the group. And we had a young lady to join us. I have no idea what her name is. And that type of thing, so we'll get that at the restaurant. Hey, bro, worry about what's in front of you now. He's looking around. Ready to hit it. I know Street Soldier Brett, you know, he don't care, he's riding. Booster Keith up there in the mix somewhere. There we go, my man keeping up. Nice. Alright, people need gas. Y'all know the deal, man. Whenever you stop, you just top it off. Check it out. Kawasaki. Get a closer look up on the bikes, man. Not so quick. Check them out. That man chilling. He got a whole bunch of gas in his bike. All right, so she's pushing Kawasaki. I think that's a ZX6. Nice. The man quick. He has a 1000, looks just like his 750. So you gotta look at the numbers to even tell them apart, unless you just know bikes, because they look exactly the same. It took $45 for y'all to fill up. I know we're gonna get gas where we're going too. I don't know if you got enough to make it. Did it work? This one work. I got something in my pocket. Yeah, this one works over here. This one works.
Yeah, it looks like it's only this one and that one on the other side that works.
I get gas where we're going. I don't know if I trust this gas back here.
For me to get to the next destination.
I hear you.
I need something in there. You know, you need a little something. So this place got what now? Barbecue? What else?
I have no idea.
He's talking about going. No, we still got
Bro, we gonna go ahead and dip from here, man.
Okay, all right, bro. Thanks for coming out, man.
Yes, sir. Man, I enjoyed myself, man.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
It was good, man, to finally link up with you.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I don't know. Your kickstand engage is
got enough push for that. I was about to say, he ain't pushing it fast enough.
Alright, so X needed a battery, so we had to stop the ride for the battery. Guys went and got a battery for him. Now we're gonna hit up the restaurant because we want something to eat. So that's what we're gonna do. Some of the people went to the restaurant ahead of us. A couple of us waited at the gas station until the guys came back with battery G for X's bike. the X is rolling. Everybody's rolling actually behind me. Because everybody's going this direction, but everybody's not actually going to the restaurant. So we haven't had anything to eat all day. You know what happens like that sometimes. You come out, the ride is going smooth, and then the bikes just act up. It is what it is. But nobody's left behind, man. So that's how we roll. Alright, so we're gonna get to this restaurant, man. Until we get past this traffic, I'm not gonna show you this part, but anyway, enjoy the ride. Shout out. Whoa! Don't do that. There she goes. Alright, so now we're on Pennsylvania Route 4. This will take us straight into DC. Oh yeah. Beautiful scenery today. We're actually going to be going over that bridge. All right, all right. when you saw the first video, you didn't actually see this part because we didn't come this direction. Check it out. Simply beautiful. All the boats and jet skis, sailboats. And then you come over, man, it's a sight to see. Calvert County, and you've heard people talk about it. If you haven't, you're not from the area, you don't know, you don't speed in Calvert County. Police are known for chasing bikes. All right, all right. The rest of the bikes are pulling off. Boomerangs, here we go. Alright, so we're at this destination, so let's get something to eat. Alright, so this rest of the crew that's left, there are 5, the 3 boosters, the MT-1000, and the Harley 114. Thank you all for rocking with brother today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and hit the subscribe button, and share the video. So from Platinum, and your boy Hammer, we out. Peace. What the heck is this? Check this joint out, man. Oh, they got the bikes in handcuffs. Oh my goodness. Motorcyclists in handcuffs. They do not play in this county. Calvert County. And there's no place to go, so there's no need to really speed or run on this road. There's no place to go.